Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Tradingview paper trading. Go to the chart with paper trading enabled, open the paper trading panel, and locate account settings. Select Reset Account or Restart Paper Trading and confirm the action to clear open positions and orders. Use this when you want a fresh balance or to practice new strategies without old trades affecting results. To reset, first open the paper trading panel and click the account name to reach settings. Look for the Reset Account or Restart option and click it, then confirm the reset to clear active orders and positions. After confirming, your paper account will return to the starting balance so you can practice fresh strategies without previous trades affecting your results or performance metrics. Before resetting, save any trade ideas or screenshots because the reset removes history. If you cannot find the reset option, refresh Tradingview or relaunch the app and reopen the paper trading panel. Consider creating multiple paper accounts to isolate strategies and keep separate performance records. These steps help avoid accidental loss and let you run controlled experiments with entries, exits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.